Hey, how's it going? Today I bring decorating ideas for bedrooms. If you're looking for cool ideas to give your favorite spot a makeover, check out this video for some inspirations. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to the channel to stay on top of news. So come on. This first idea, I want to highlight the colors of the environment. As you can see, is a room with white walls with furniture and objects with brown details, bringing sobriety to the space. On the headboard, the space is perfect for a composition of pictures, and taking advantage of the natural lighting through the windows, some plants hanging to bring more beauty and life to the room. Bedroom with a very soft blue tint. Next to the bedside table with decorative pictures matching the color of the walls. The highlight are the hats decorating and occupying empty space. This room is perfect for a teenager. The bed comes with niches built into the feet and on the headboard, with space for another light source. Perfect idea to optimize the space and keep the room organized. The basics are elegant, black and white bedroom. This is a perfect idea to play with the tones in decorative objects and accessories for the space. Headboard with wallpaper and decorative mirror. The choice of objects and accessories for the bedroom are very well matched. A small room can also gain a lot of life, betting on bright colors, like the one on the little table next to the bed, and the colorful pillows. The large mirror on the wall causes a feeling of spaciousness in the space. Here on the channel always we talk about using niches and shelves to bring more optimization to spaces. Look at these ideas about headboards. Rooms with light tones widen space visually and can have wooden elements in the decoration. They get very sophisticated. For those who need to work at home or study, the idea of a bed with built-in table is practical and effective. A picture of the couple on the headboard brings more personality, intimacy to the room. For a makeover without many renovations, apply wallpaper and see how the look will be much more beautiful. And finally, this bed has a built-in niche. It's a great idea for those who want organization and save space. Did you like the ideas? I hope so. Leave here your like in the video and your comment, that is very important for us. Even more.